Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today we're going to share with you the terrific toolbox. Today I'm here with the lovely Leo and we're going to share with you the terrific toolbox. Now this is a gorgeous little box, isn't it?
It really is. Very, very versatile.
I think so. Your imagination is going to run riot with you on this one.
Yep.
Shall we have a little look at the die set first?
Let's have a look at those. So here is your lovely die set. So your terrific toolbox, as you can see, it is a nice, simple box to put together.
Yes.
It is very generously sized, as you'll see from the dies. And
as you can see from the samples as well.
Exactly. So, as always, all of your instructions are in your pack, including how many of each that you need to cut, which we absolutely love.
We do.
And then here are your dies. So you've got your main side, front and back panels. You've got then the pieces for your lid and your handle. And it is just a really neat die set.
It is. There's not an awful lot of extra decoration in this set. It is all about the box.
Yes.
So that will mean it's great for your dads, your granddads, your brothers, the boys in your family, or those that are not as good. Well, I'm saying not as girly, but it can also be girlied up with your flowers, your butterflies, your fairies, beautiful papers, whatever you choose. I think you can take it both ways, can't you?
Definitely.
Which we don't often have dies like that.
No, we don't. So you've got just a very simple trellis or lattice pattern, which you've got on the side panels, the front and back panels, the side panels, the roof and the handle. So you can do it all with a beautiful lattice, and then you can literally put anything on top of it. So anything you already have in your stash. You know, if you've got icons for fishing, if you've got little tools, if you've got baking things, if you've got, I don't know, other kinds of hobby things, if you've got flowers and butterflies, you can put those on. It literally could be anything you need it to be, and it is such a good size box. Let's bring one of these in so you can see just how big this is. It is a really good size box, and the whole thing, I love this handle. It's like a little...
It's sturdy though,
oh,
isn't
it really is.
It
Some
is
people say it's like a little lunch pail, you know, like the old little lunch boxes.
Yes.
So your lid just basically comes up and twists to one side, and then you've got this entire box is just one huge cavity. So you could fit substantial presents in there.
Oh, I think so. If we're talking about Lindor, biggest part of the box goes in there, I think.
I know, box. You could probably even get two of the smaller boxes of Lindor in there, just for a size reference. I know we like to measure in Lindor.
We can get crystal drops in there.
Definitely.
Because the height is there. Even the dream drops. Because you've got the height of the lid, let me bring that back in. Because you've got the extra height of the lid, even though the dream drops will protrude above the side of the box, the lid contains them.
Yep.
So you can go to town. What about your little alcoholic miniatures?
Definitely you can fit miniatures in there. So not the very tall skinny ones, I wouldn't say. Although probably laying down actually you could.
You probably could.
Yeah, but yes, you can definitely get miniatures in there. You could even probably get, you know, the little cans, the mini cans of mixers.
Yes.
So you could do like a whole...
That would be nice. Or an afternoon tea.
Or an afternoon tea. Yeah, you could definitely get a little afternoon tea for one in there.
That would be
in your own
lovely.
little miniature box.
Yes. What about a lovely gift for an elderly relative? You know, like your grandma. You don't know what to buy her because she's got so much. But she wants something special. So you've made her a beautiful box. You've thought about her present. And inside is a lovely little tea for her.
That'd be really nice.
Or what about those individual little Christmas cakes you can get?
Yeah, definitely. That'd be a fab little present.
Because you like to have a taste, but you don't want Christmas cake hanging round and going dry. Or any other cake, really. We'd be happy with any cake, couldn't we?
Well, we would. We also said, you know, for your hen party supplies,
Yes.
maybe these could be a lot of hen party boxes. You know, you put all of those things in, and we won't mention all of them, but you know, there's definitely hair bubbles involved. There's definitely mints or some chewing gum that go in there, you know, and lots of other things. So you're like your hen party emergency kit, shall we say?
Gotta have an emergency kit.
But imagine giving all of those to your hens as a little gift.
What about your little baby shower?
Yep, same deal.
You can put your socks, your bib, your little scratch mittens, even mini samples of your
The little
towel,
mini pseudocremes and stuff like
all
that would
sort
fit
of
in.
thing.
Yeah, definitely.
What else am I thinking? I'm thinking your children's parties rather than a little bag going home. What about a little box with all their goodies in?
That'd be fab. And they are super sturdy. So they're the kind of box that you would take it home, but you would keep it. It wouldn't just go immediately in the bin.
No.
It's something that you would keep and you could keep on using as well.
On your dressing table, as you say, with your hair bobbles, your bits and bobs. Even your makeup would fit in there, I think.
Yeah, you could have, it could be like a little makeup gift, like a whole set, maybe for a teenager.
I'm thinking a lipstick, a nail varnish, a nail file. You know, when they haven't got a lot of makeup, but you want to get them little bits.
Exactly. I was just thinking
that
about
would be perfect.
Bridesmaids' presents.
Yes. Jewellery, amazing. What about a nice scarf?
Yep.
And even going down to socks for your dad.
Exactly. That's I think the beauty of this die set is that it's going to cover any occasion you can think of. The box is big enough.
Yes.
And simple enough to make. They are not difficult to put together, as we'll show you. We'll have a separate make video for you coming as well. Fairly quick to run through, but then you can decorate it up to whatever you need it to be.
Yeah. Should we show some of these samples?
Let's, because we've got some amazing ones around here. So we'll start with this one, because this one shows off all of the patterns all the way around. So you can see that lovely lattice work on there. So front and back, and also on the sides. And you've got your lovely little handle that just slides up here. And then your lid just...
It reminds me of the dumpster truck as well.
It does a bit, yeah. And then you can see, I know it's a black box, it's probably not the best one to see inside, but you've got that lovely big gift box in there. And this one is from Shilpa. Thank you very much for that, Shilpa. I love the blue satin mirror.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Cobalt velour. Isn't it gorgeous?
If I bring this one in, this is from Vicky, and Vicky's taken that a step further. So she's made it into an argyle pattern by adding a little bit of paper piece in. There's also a wood effect die that will go on the top of your handle, and also on the sides she's done a little bit of paper piece in there. So you put as much or as little onto these as you choose. This one is made with pattern papers. So again, it is beautiful. The reason the handle's not going down is because we've got a ribbon under there.
Yeah, the bow is just in the wrong place, isn't it? It's just holding the ribbon up. The handle up, sorry.
But it is lovely.
I really like that. So again, even faster, if you don't want to put patterns on there, use your pattern paper.
Absolutely.
Speaking of, obviously we've got a lovely mulberry wine.
Oh,
of course we have.
Got to have a mulberry wine.
Got to have a mulberry wine. So yeah, again, you can see just with that patterned paper all the way around, there's a very feminine box, and then just a couple of little added rolled flowers onto the front. This one is from Vicky. I really love that. So again, like we said, bring in your own elements from your stash. You've bound to have lots of little die sets with little bits and pieces in them. Oh, I like this one.
This one's lovely, isn't it?
There's a baby shower box, if ever I saw one.
We've got another... Have I not? I'm not shut that tidy.
There we go.
We've got a little girly one over there as well.
We have. So yeah, it's your... and this one is literally styled as a little baby shower box with a little dummy on there. Our lovely little Wild Wild Zoo elephant as well. But again, just that nice little pattern all the way around. Got some drops in the blue one here, just picking up that pattern.
I think that calls for a couple of drops, doesn't it?
And a nice easy one to drop, because it's kind of got that slightly thicker dotty part of the pattern in here where you go, okay, I'll just drop all of those.
Yes.
And you don't have to
Karen
worry about
would have dropped a lot.
She would have. I think she actually sequined it.
Did she?
You can see hopefully
should we bring Karen's
the wood grain on there.
So if you're in a bit of a rush, pop your sequins on. Oh, let's put the lid down straight.
There you go.
Look
so you
at
can just
that.
see.
Can you see them catching the light?
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous. You could tell it's
Love
Karen as well with the teal and mustard.
Teal and mustard and craft, yeah, exactly. Classic Karen, that one. Let's have a look. Oh, let's have a look at one more.
Oh, I love this one. This is just spring, isn't it?
It just screams springtime. I love the combo of yellow and grey.
Yes, me too.
So again, just a lovely, simple patterned paper bringing this one to life with that gorgeous flower and a little bee on the front and a little sentiment.
So
you do
cute.
have a tag in your set as well, which just says treat time.
I think there's a couple of tags in there.
Do we have a second one? Oh yeah, there's a
Yeah,
well
we
done.
do. We have a well done.
Mhm.
We have happy days. And have a sweet day.
Nice.
So we've got a couple of selections
So
there.
yeah, 2 die cut and 2 deboss
Yes.
sentiments in there.
But we've also got a Christmas one.
Yep. So go festive. Bit of tartan. Some lovely flowers that are just going to say poinsettia as soon as you put them on this, aren't they?
They are.
Green and white. And all that lovely red tartan. I really like that one. Again, it's our Vicky. Of course it is. Of course it is.
And I love the simplicity of the teal, the ocean one there.
Oh, I like this.
Because it's all made up with your flowers. No decoration on the box,
Pretty.
just your layers. And then you've added your own decoration. I think that is gorgeous. And who would not want to be the recipient of this?
Yeah, exactly. I love those little flowers on the front there. Really, really lovely.
It's beautiful.
So, of course it is. Of course it is.
Oh, it's lovely.
Love that one.
I love all the boxes we've got, do you mind? They are
I know,
absolutely
and you can see
stunning.
we've got some just over my shoulder as well.
Yeah, we've got more behind.
So many. We can't show them all, but you will see them all, or you will have seen them all, I should have said.
Yes, on the Create and Craft show.
Exactly.
But we wanted to share them with you as well.
So hopefully it's given you lots of ideas and has started that little brain ticking. You know, what occasions have you got coming up that this is going to be perfect for?
Yes.
This is available on our websites now, so you can go and grab that straight away. Don't forget you can also get your TCK discount off this. So even though it's a brand new launch, have 10% off.
Why not?
As a
Why
bonus,
not?
because we like you so much.
Just subscribe to our kit
Mhm.
and that's how you get your
Exactly.
10% off.
And you get a kit every month.
You do?
And who wouldn't want that?
Coming through your door.
Just like that, box of creativity. Love it. You can also pay in instalments on our website. So that's using ShopPay, ClearPay or PayPal. Just have a look at checkout and see which one is going to work best for you there. And the most important thing that everyone has to remember,
Tag us in your makes.
We absolutely love to see what you are making with our beautiful sets that we sell you from here. So you can either do that on the Tonic Studios official Facebook group, the link will be in the description below for you, or we are across social media and we are at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, let us know that you have enjoyed this and you love the terrific toolbox. If you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell,
Ding.
and you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!
Bye.